Hello guys, we're in McDonald's and now I have a fidget spinner. Look how fast that goes. The line. Look how cool that is. It's like a home baby. And how this guy will get Pikachu. And I'm gonna teleport, kiss me. And now here I teleport. No, and now I'm back here. I'm here now, but I have to go. And it will light up. So bye.